Power Day, Thursday, March 12th. It's our 6th annual Day of Giving, joined by Chandler Short, interim athletic director. Chandler, can you talk to us about what the Bulldogs are doing?
Sure. Over the last decade, we've had multiple KCAC championships across our sports team, and we're continuing to build off that success.
We've got a unique opportunity, a $10,000 match from the Van Goethem family. What does that mean for McPherson College athletics?
This is a great opportunity for Bulldog alums, families, supporters, fans of Bulldog athletics to give to Bulldog athletics and be a part of that Bulldog success in our athletic programs.
Well, hey, we've got an awesome spring lineup. Can you talk a little bit about that?
We have a great opportunity to come see a lot of our spring sports at home. We've had 7 national qualifiers for indoor track and field this year, and so it's going to be a great spring. We're looking forward to it.
There are a lot of exciting things that are going to be going on, but you have to stay tuned. Power Day, March 12th, as we transition. Amanda Gutierrez, VP for Automotive Restoration. Amanda, can you talk about the program, talk about some of the exciting things that our students are doing in the restoration program?
Over the last few years, we've really had some wonderful opportunities that have come from Power Day funders for our students. That includes scholarships, travel opportunities, and a variety of experiences that really enhance their on-campus learning.
Amanda, your unique match from the Van Goethem family, why is it unique?
I think what I love about it is that the Van Gothems are not automotive restoration graduates. And so this gift really recognizes the fact that McPherson College auto restoration students are Bulldogs first. They're active all over campus. They take all kinds of classes, but they're also in band, in choir, in athletics. And so I think as part of the Bulldog family, it's really wonderful that the Van Gothems have extended this match for auto restoration.
Well, Amanda, our alumni and friends, what can they look forward to this spring?
This spring, of course, the big event coming up is May 1st and 2nd. It's our automotive weekend on campus. So Friday night, May 1st, we have Leslie Kendall, who's the curator of the Peterson Automotive Museum in LA, who will be our keynote speaker. And then the next day, we have our student-led car show, which is always an amazing event that it embraces all of campus, and people from all over the country come here and bring their cars. So we have student projects, million-dollar restorations, and everything in between. And so it's really a worthwhile time for you to come to McPherson College and see what our automotive restoration program is all about.
Thank you, Amanda. Amanda's done an outstanding job as our VP for Automotive Restoration, and now our VP for Advancement, Erik Vogel. Erik, class of 1999, you've come back to us. What makes McPherson College unique in your eyes?
Well, we talk so much about the relationships here at McPherson College, and I think that is always going to be a key factor in the uniqueness of McPherson College, and the opportunity for students to do so many things, and also know that they're going to be given opportunities for career development, job placement while they're students here. And also in the area of advancement, we get to see firsthand the generosity and the commitment that our alumni and friends have shown for McPherson College for many, many generations.
Awesome, awesome. We have an outstanding match from the Paul family, a $50,000 MC Fund match. Erik, can you kind of go into details about the MC Fund and the impact that the MC Fund has on the college?
Yeah, the McPherson College Fund, or MC Fund as we call it, last year provided over $700,000 in gifts to help in a lot of different areas on campus. We had over 1,000 gifts to the McPherson College Fund last year. So we talk about the power of pooling gifts. When you combine all those gifts together, they have a huge impact here on campus. And just a couple of areas to highlight is scholarships. Over $750,000 in endowed scholarships were given to students at McPherson College for this school year. And another big area that the McPherson College Fund has helped support is our student debt project. That initiative is geared toward helping our graduates leave McPherson College with no debt. And that program that's been put in place helps reward students who are working to lower their tuition and college costs by providing matching funds for the hours that they work.
Awesome. A $5,000 match for the Student Debt Project. Power Day, March 12th. Great day to be a Bulldog. We'll talk to you soon.